Lead magnet quick creation. People spend a ton of time trying to get the design perfect for their lead magnets. The reality is, no one is ever going to see the lead magnet if you don't split test the taglines and you split test the taglines around your target audience's pain points. When developing lead magnets for your agency, the name of the game is testing and tracking, as it always is in marketing. The ability to create lead magnets quickly so you can test taglines, value props, and prospect vetting will become critical for not only your agency, but your clients as well. In my lead harvesting course, I show you over 15 different ways and I give you a handy dandy checklist. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 ways we create lead magnets very quickly around here. We test them. The ones that perform, we will keep. The ones that do not perform, we're going to modify and test them again. First, quizzes, surveys, and polls. With tools like Typeform, you can create highly engaging lead magnets in minutes. On the screen here, you see one of my dashboard, one of my workspaces in Typeform. You can pick one of their templates, create a compelling lead magnet, and then test it out. As you can see, I've harvested hundreds of leads through my Typeforms. Second are cloud-based design tools like Canva, or I prefer Visme, the one you see on the screen here. Here are some lead magnets, and let me show you this. There are literally thousands of templates you can come in here and do this, whether it be infographics, web designs, or whatever it might be. And you scroll through here and you have thousands of lead magnet templates that are ready to go. Third, subscribe or join. Podcasts, Facebook groups, meetup groups, LinkedIn groups. As you can see, you can use any number of social media platforms to build up your multi-touch marketing infrastructure. On the third one, the subscribe or join now, I use my Facebook group as a down opt-in, meaning that if they don't want to give me their contact information on my website, I will simply push them via the exit intent you just saw over to my Facebook group. I'm getting 50% of all member requests giving me their email address. This is one of the highest converting lead magnets I have ever used. Okay, as you can see, the ability to be able to create lead magnets very quickly is absolutely critical for your agency to be able to drive a lot more leads going forward without spending a ton of money on paid advertising.